All right, guys, before we get to the actual unboxing, let me show you the box here, okay? Now, see where it says priority mail today? Don't believe that. Anyway, it always scares me when something comes with this label on it, okay? And the box looks in very good shape. I haven't opened it, and it's a part for the Camaro, but I'm a little concerned. There's a rattle in there. I don't like rattles. Hopefully, it's just a clip, a screw, or something, and the thing's not actually broke. But anyway, we're going to get it unboxed, so let's get busy. All right, Bill, if you'll notice here, I've got my cutter and I put yours back. So you don't have to worry, it's back where it goes. I'm getting better, I promise. All right, here we go. And where do we open up everything at? At W&W Mods, in the floor. Because why? We don't have a workbench yet. So, here we go. We're gonna cut the tape. Pray that this is not broken, because if it's broken, it's gonna be an expensive piece of useless nothing. All right, let's see here how well we've got this thing secured. Like I say, I'm really worried, guys. I hope this thing's not broke. All right. Let's see. Oh, okay. We've got some 3M tape, 2 packs of it. Well, all right, that's what that is. All right, everybody, what this is, everybody wondering what it could be, right? Well, I'm not going to tell you. You're just going to have to open it up like I do, and I'll show you. Like I say, the Extreme Online Store usually has fantastic products. They don't sponsor us. However, I hope they will one day, because we do buy a lot of stuff from them, and they haven't discounted anything for us yet. So, but we've got it in the works. Hopefully, they will help us out. But it's packed very nicely. And can I get a drum roll, please, as to what it is? Da-da-da-da. Look at that. That looks absolutely flawless. Is there enough of it here to where you can, is the light good enough to where you can see the detail? It is actually very, very well crafted. Shout out to the online store again for delivering a fantastic product. Guys, I'll make sure that I always drop their link in the video description down below should you be looking for anything that might be of your interest, and hopefully we can get this installed and get it put in. So anyway, this is the vent hood for the Camaro. It's actually going to replace I'll show you here. It's actually going to be replacing this one. So we're going to take this one here in place of the stock black one. Okay? So anyway, we'll have to get busy with it. Alright guys, that was our unboxing, and I'm not sure whether there's enough light in here for you to actually see. But this is carbon fiber. It's genuine carbon fiber. They make all their stuff as close to perfect as they can. I don't know if any of you guys have ever ordered anything from them, but they are top notch. I have no complaints out of anything that I've ever ordered from them. I've been waiting on this particular piece for a while because it normally stays out of stock. They just started a couple months ago offering it. So I had to wait because when I noticed that they had it available, it was sold out. So I had to wait till the second round come through, and I was able to get one. And then the Postal Service was on a big delay getting it to me, but we finally got it, and we're going to be installing it, and I think it'll make a great accent piece for the hood of the vehicle. We'll take that stock one out, install this one, and it should look good. So guys, I appreciate you stopping by for this little unboxing video. I'm so happy this is not broken, because, you know, for those of you who look for carbon fiber, you know it doesn't come cheap, and especially when you start modding out your cars, you can run into some money real quickly. But this video was all about this unboxing. We got that taken care of. The next video will be the installation of this. So guys, I want you to come back. I want you to stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Hit that notification bell so you know when we put it up. And like always, like us, subscribe to us, and we will see you on the next one.